Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys, for returning to my channel. So if you are new and if you just bumped into my channel, don't forget to subscribe. The red button is here. Make sure you click and you subscribe. Okay, you don't mind my nails, like DIY nails gone wrong, honey. It's a story for another day. So today we decided to do another video in collaboration with some beautiful Zimbabwean YouTubers, and this video was influenced by James Charles. So we decided to do the same, and I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you love it. So we're going to be doing stages of her makeup. The first person to start off this video is Daddy. She really knows how to slay her eyeshadow, honey. Like, okay, let me not talk too much and just hand it over the eyeshadow.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to share my eyeshadow tutorial with you. So I'm going to start by patting in a dark brown color into my crease. So guys, how's everyone been doing lately? I hope everyone's good. Tell me, what have you guys been watching? Blood and Water came out on Netflix a couple of days ago, and impressed does not even describe, you know, how impressed I actually am. I thought it was so good. And can we talk about KB? Guys, Tabang can get it any day. So now I'm going in with like a lighter brown just to sort of diffuse the edges. Okay, so once I finish blending that, I'm actually going in with my P. Louise base to cut my crease, honey.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So this is the final look for the eyeshadow. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me create this look. Now I'm going to hand you over to Salty Talks, who's going to show you how to slay your eyelashes, honey. Here you go.
Thank you so much, Taddy. So it's time for the lashes. What is a good look without some good lashes? Some salty lashes. So for this look, we're going to be using these Take Flight lashes from the Salty Beauty Baddie line. And they come in this cute box. And guess what? It's my lash line. We just launched, so please do go check us out on Instagram at salty_beauty_. So when I first found out that we're going to be talking about our YouTube journeys, I was a bit skeptical because I was like, well, I kind of just joined YouTube, and the people, some of the people in this YouTube video have been on YouTube for a couple of years, and I'm like, well, I just started my channel when quarantine started, so I'm like a baby. I'm like the baby YouTuber of this video. So I've actually had been meaning to start my YouTube channel for a while before quarantine, but I've just been so scared. Guys, YouTube is a scary place. YouTube is so scary, and I just felt like my content wouldn't be good enough, you know. I'm like a perfectionist of sorts, so when I take a video, it has to be the way I envisioned it in my brain, and if it's not like that, it's not going anywhere. It's not leaving my phone. It is not going nowhere. Obviously, now that my business is out there and running, I have no reason to be running away from YouTube anymore. So I'm definitely gonna be back. I just don't know what exactly I'm gonna be back with, but I'm definitely going to be producing content. I definitely want to be back up on YouTube, sharing my lovely personality and who I am. I'm scared. But a friend of mine once told me that if you're scared, it means that you actually care about whatever it is that you want to get into. And I actually care about this. Now that we've got our lashes popped on and we're ready to take flight, it's time for us to get our foundation on, and we're about to get matched up by Rumbi.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to be taking us through the foundation step, and I usually like to just prepare my face with the MAC Lightful Softening Lotion Spray. I find that this really like moisturizes my skin quite a bit, so I am going to put that on. I'm just going to cover my eyes. Okay, and then I'm just going to let that like seep into my skin. We're going to give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so once that has seeped in, I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and in the color Amber Honey, I take my brush and I put it in the center of my forehead, and I dab some on my cheek, and I dab some on my other cheek, and a little bit underneath. And then just using that, I am gonna start to like use a dabbing motion to work it into my skin. Okay, so yeah, just like that. So try and avoid using like an actual brushing motion, because you'll actually be removing the foundation as you apply it. Okay, and I really love the Double Wear, guys. Like, it literally, all of my blemishes disappear and I get clear, even skin. And then I usually just use the excess on my nose. Okay, so the foundation on my forehead had actually gotten a little bit tacky, so I'm just rubbing it so that I can apply it a little bit easier. Alright guys, so that is the foundation step done, and again, I just love Estee Lauder Double Wear because it literally covers every blemish. I look like I have like literally flawless skin. But anyway, my girl Priv is going to take you through how to do your concealer, so let her take it away, girl.
Stop! Really? Anyway, thanks girl. So I'm going to use this concealer my under eyes, here, here, and here, and here. So tell me guys, how have you been? Like, you know what? This quarantine period like has really taught us a lot, and I think we're learning. This is kind of our new reality, so we have to adjust and do something with our lives. I've been reading a lot. I know I don't like reading, but like I have been reading a lot. I think it's a time to learn a new skill and try to do something new. I didn't start my YouTube channel like during this quarantine period. I think I started in January. I'm like 4 months in, and I'm really loving my YouTube experience, and this quarantine period like has really, okay, this YouTube channel has really helped me to keep myself occupied with trying to create content for you guys, and it has been really fun. And it's actually fun to do something that okay, let's forget about that. To do something you love and just be happy doing that. So right now I'm just going in with my concealer. I'm going here and here and here. Now for blending, I'm using this beauty blender. Like, it's really good. I really love it. And the thing that you have to do, like that I noticed, that you just have to blend where you put your concealer and just dab where you put the concealer until everything is just in and blended well. It's good, right? And you just go in here. Are we done? Okay, I think we're done. So for the next stage, I'm going to give this powder to Manuela. She is a very beautiful, gorgeous person, and she makes crisp content. Like, her videos, guys, are like thebomb.com. Hey girl, catch.
Thank you, babe. Hey guys, so I am going to show you guys how to set your face while I talk about what it is that I have been doing during lockdown. And I'm using the Ben Nye banana powder to set my face. So what I've been doing during lockdown is just baking. Like, I've been trying new recipes. Okay, not new recipes, because I'd never baked, right? I just tried recipes, okay? I just tried recipes. So right now I'm setting my face. I have dry skin, so I don't bake my face. I just use a little bit of powder and I just dab it in. So if you have oily skin, you can bake your face. I personally don't, because I feel like it just makes me drier, and I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to do that. But yeah, so baking, obviously talking to friends and family more. Now I'm gonna move on to contour. I'm just gonna use this contour palette that I got from Jackie Mugito Cosmetics that is based here in Harare. I'm just gonna use this brown color to contour my face. Just a light contour. I've also been learning how to edit. So yeah, just watching tutorials on how to make your videos better. Watching other people's videos. There's a lot of people that have been coming out with like YouTube channels during this lockdown, which is great. So I've been watching that and also just like supporting people wherever I can. Alright, so I am done now and we're moving on to highlight, and I'm gonna pass this down to Fafa to show us. If you guys don't know her, you should definitely check her out. She has really good content here on YouTube and I'm pretty sure that you'd like it. Here you go, Fafa.
So I'm going to take you through the fun part, which is blush and highlighter. I mean, who doesn't want a bit of glow? I mean, I love glowing. So, oh, thanks Manuela. She just rubbed me the brush. So for blush, I'm going to be using this MAC blush in the shade Raisin. It's a darker shade, so I like to use it as a blush and a contour powder at the same time. So I will... And then I'm going to apply that in that direction, in the direction where same direction which I apply my contour powder. So I'm going to tap in there very lightly, remove any excess. So you see that? Let me bring you a bit closer. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Real Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Happy Hour. It's just a golden champagne shade, and I'm going to go in there with a fan brush, very lightly tap off the excess. So how have I been holding up during this whole quarantine period? To be quite honest guys, for me it's been a very busy period because I'm graduating. No, actually I have graduated. Okay, the ceremony has not happened officially, but I am done with, like, I've already passed and everything. Yay! So I've been busy with school. I've also been busy with my business. So I the little time that I had to myself to just chill and be stressed out, I've been journaling a lot and I've been praying, and I've had to like spend a lot of time and get to learn myself because obviously there aren't other things that would have made me busy. Like business wise, I've been busy, but it's not been that hectic. So how I've been holding up, I've been journaling, I've been praying, and yeah, I've been just like, you know, just getting to learn myself. And I've been reading like some really great books. There's this group that I'm in where the girls like been sharing books, and that has been helping me out a lot. So yeah, I don't know, I want to know how you guys have been holding up. Can you comment in the comment section down below? Just let me know, like, how have you been holding up? You know, it's been crazy. A lot of people have been affected. People have lost their jobs. Like, it's been like super crazy. Like, I would like to know how you guys have been holding up and all. So I'm going to leave you guys and I'm going to take you through to my girl Natalie. She's going to show you guys how to apply lipstick and setting spray, honeys.
Okay guys, so my step is lips. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a simple red lip with just like a brown outline, just so it's not too, you know, in your face. So I'm going to be using the Vault or slash Jackie Mkido red lipstick in the shade Mara, and then I'm going to be using just this brown eyebrow pencil. Don't judge me. So I'm just going to take the eyebrow pencil and I'm going to line my lips like so. Just the outline of my lips like that. And then I'm going to just go through with the lipstick. Okay, so while I wait for
for the lipstick to dry up and blend, whatever you want to call it, I was given setting spray as well. So to set my makeup, I usually like a matte finish but not like overly dry. So okay, so to set my face, I usually use these two setting sprays, my NYX matte finish one as well as my Mario Badescu natural spray thing. So I start with this one and then I go in with that one. So I'm just gonna do that now. And then we're just gonna wait for that to dry and then I'll be back. So now that my makeup is set and my lips are done, I just want to say thank you guys for watching all the way up to the end. Shout out to all of the previous makeup artists for doing this, and I will see all of you guys on the next one.
Bye guys. Mwah.
If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke